Get ready to make money for free just by copying and pasting. Wherever you're in the world, you don't need social media followers, no investment, and no affiliate marketing at all. Just copy and paste text to make money with this strategy. And yes, you don't even need to have any experience to do this. In this video, I'm going to show you a unique way to make money which you probably haven't heard anywhere before. And it is highly important that you don't skip the video, otherwise you may not get the result expected, because I'm going to show you everything step by step here. What's going on, guys? Dave here again from Money Online Genius, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can make easy $1,000 just by copying and pasting. Just before we start, make sure to subscribe to my channel if you're new to my channel and turn on that notification bell so that I'll send you a notification whenever I upload videos like this. Now, step number one is to go to google.com and search for Google News. You will find here news.google.com, the first result. Open this first link here and you can find here most up-to-date articles and news in a wide range of categories, just like that of a newspaper. Okay, now you can see a bunch of categories like sports, science, business, health, and so on. Now, step number two, I want you guys to choose any of these categories. For example, I'm selecting health niche here. Okay, I'm just going to click here and I get results with the most up-to-date and relevant articles that are related to health niche. Okay, and choose any of these articles, okay, the one that you like the most. For example, I'm selecting this, the latest one here. Now, all you need to do here is just copy the whole text, whole content of this article, okay? And now step number three, after you copy the article, I want you guys to go to the website called quillbot.com. This is a magical website where you have to paste the article that you copied from Google News, just like this, okay? And just click on paraphrase. It'll completely spin the article and rewrite the article for you. You will then have an entirely unique and reconstructed article for you, and that's your article. And the good thing about this website is that you can choose how far you want to change the article, simply dragging this slider here to the right side to the top. As you see, just drag it to choose how much changes, like how far you want to change the article. And this tool makes the article completely plagiarism free, and you can use this reconstructed article as your own. Now, you might be wondering, what am I going to do with this article? Don't worry, guys. Now that you have the article ready for you, I'll show you 3 websites that pay you for your articles. Some of them even pay $1 per word. Imagine if you sell an article with 1,000 words, boom, there you get your first $1,000 just by copying and pasting. Before I show you the next step, if you guys are enjoying this video, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. I'll really appreciate that. Alright, now back to the next step. Step number 4. I want you guys to go to the website called eatwellcom. Eatwellcom will pay you up to $1 per word for your article. As I said before, think of it this way. If you sell your article with 1,000 words and if you get $1 per word, then you could make up to $1,000 from your single article that you reconstructed just by copying and pasting. This could be the easiest $1,000 you could have ever made in your life. Now, what you need to do here is just navigate all the way to the bottom of this website, okay? And now click on the section that says Contact Us. And you'll find multiple email addresses here, just like the way you see here, okay? However, you have to choose the email address where it says send letters to the editor for publication, because we're sending article for publication. Okay, so choose this option from here and just copy this email address as you see and compose a simple email informing that you're submitting your article for publication. Okay, just like this one, compose an email. Okay, you just write the title of your email as article submission. Okay, make sure to paste your reconstructed article and send the email. They will respond to your email and ask you payment details, whether it's PayPal or bank transfer if they like your article. Okay. Now you can rinse and repeat this process as much as you can on this website. And it does not stop there. There are other websites which pay you for your article. Textbroker.com is another website where you can submit your article and get paid. This website is a content writing platform for a variety of categories. It is one of the most proven websites for outsourcing content. Just click on the section that says I write content here at the top and go to the payment if you want to know the payment, okay? It shows you how much they pay per word for your article. Just go through the pricing details and the requirement first, okay? And find the best article from Google News, have it rewritten with Quillbot, and submit the article here. As simple as that. To start earning on this website, you just need to create a free account by clicking on free author registration and fill up this form and just get started. Submit the articles here on this website as well. And lastly, the third website which pays you for your reconstructed articles is iWriter.com. This is the website where people request their articles to be written by others and pay the writer. It is pretty simple to get started on this website, just like the other websites. You just need to go to the section that says Write Content and fill up this form, which is a simple test of your writing ability. And don't worry, guys, just use Google News and Quillbot to get your answer here again, okay? And if you want to know how much they pay, go to the section that says pricing here. Just click over here and you'll get 4 levels of writing here. And the pricing is different depending on the level, okay? So you have the payment details here, okay? Just fill up the form and start selling your article here as well on this website. So these are the 3 websites where you can actually sell the articles that you constructed just by copying and pasting, okay? And then start making money just like that. Alright guys, this is one of the easiest ways to make money online. I have multiple videos on my channel where I show people how to make easy money online. And if you want to start affiliate marketing for free, then you should definitely check out the videos appearing to the left of your screen, and I'll see you there.